Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today's video I bring you this Degen alt strategy to buy. This will be after the Arbitrum Airdrop, and I think after that airdrop many projects that are built on Arbitrum 1 and Nova are going to pump a lot. That already happened with Optimism Airdrop 1 in May of June. Many projects of the ecosystem pumped it after the airdrop. And I think that will happen again with Arbitrum when the airdrop comes up to us. So in today's video we are going to cover a couple of altcoins that could bring you many exits on your investment, and of course this is super risky. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's go into it. Hey guys, well, shout out to Rajesh Baral for bringing me this news about this post of OxDegen. Shout out to him too. In today's video I bring you this strategy to buy cheap altcoins that are just launched on the Arbitrum ecosystem, because I think this was a really nice strategy. I saw that for Optimism the last May and June when they did the airdrop. Many of the projects that was already building in the ecosystem was pumping a lot. Many of them did 10x's or even 50x's in some of those projects. That of course right now are again in a low value because of the conditions of the market. But for a quick pump and leave of a project, I think this is a good strategy. And also in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what I am going to do with this. So according to OxDegen, Arbitrum season is coming and many people will make millions in the midst of the bear market. New tokens are flourishing in the core of this narrative and they are meant to explode. So during the last weeks, months, we have seen many giants from Ethereum layer 1 expanding and deploying to layers 2 such as Optimism and Arbitrum. And despite the expansion of liquidity and the reach of new users, their tokens didn't experience big pumps due to their already high market cap. So the strategy that he proposed is on the Arbitrum with tiny market caps less than 3 million and a potential growth to over 300 million. So you are making 100x on this on terms of market cap, and that could be a 50x also on terms of the price action. We are going to see exactly what altcoins are better or not to enter on this, but the strategy is solid, guys. I already, like I mentioned, saw this many other times, not only with Optimism, but these layer 1, layer 2 solutions, when they airdrop it, the token, all the ecosystem pumps at least for a couple of days. So those moments are really a nice moment to dump on some of those coins, but if not, you can just hold them until the next bull run. And what he is mentioning here is that he took $500 and divided in 7 equal portions, and he bought these 7 different tokens. So we are going to cover some of them, but you don't really need to use these exactly tokens that we are going to cover. You can go to the Arbitrum 1 portal and search for the project that you are more interested. And remember that this strategy is a very, very risky strategy. You could lose your entire money. So just use money that you are okay to lose. But that doesn't mean that you need to put $500. Maybe that is a lot for you. You can just put $5 in each of these projects. And if they do 100x, you are going to be in a very big profit, even if the other project fails. So just use the range of money that you can afford to lose in order to do this strategy. And of course, this is not financial advice. This is only my opinion, and what I am sharing here is what I am doing also. So the first of these projects, and guys, I forgot to tell that all of these already have a token, so you're not going to be participating for an airdrop here. This is only buying small tokens, small Degen tokens that are in the Arbitrum ecosystem. This is buffer token. You can see that they only have 100 million tokens as max supply. I really like when the supply is low, because I always see more potential of more exits on that. With a 29 cents token, 100 million tokens is not much, guys. The important thing also is the circulating supply on the market cap. This project only has 2 million. So even doing 10x's, in the market cap. That brings it to 20 million, which is a really low amount of capital for any project on the crypto space. Your chances on these projects actually are really good if we have a pump on the ecosystem. We are betting on that in this strategy. And this project is an option trading simplified, easy and quick way to work in a non-custodial option trading platform. So you can see and review the project for yourself. In terms of the Twitter account, they have 15k followers. It's not too much, but again, these are all projects built on Arbitrum. The second project that he mentioned is GMD protocol. I think this project is really serious, but you can see there's no rank here, no market cap, no max supply. The total supply is only 50,000 tokens here, and like you can see, the price is $24. So even if this could be an expensive token, you can just put $10 on this. You don't need to buy a whole token on this. And you can see that was launched on the market the 3rd of November. So it's really new token here. And if like we are betting here the ecosystem of Arbitrum pumps when the airdrop comes, I think this token could go really high in price action. Not much followers here, very new. This is of course super risky, and this project is a yield aggregate and smart vaults. The TVL is 1 million, so really low, guys, really low. You have a lot of risk on this, but also a lot of potential. That is why I only recommend you to put money that you are comfortable to really lose it. Another project, Radiant Capital, this token is 3 cents, 1 billion in max supply. Is also not that high for many of these kind of projects, but you can see that the total supply is only 50 million here, and the circulating supply 27 million. Market cap is not even 1 million, guys. This is super risky to enter. This is part of this Zksync strategy on these altcoins. You can see again this project, well, actually this entered in July of 2022 and 10k followers on Twitter. So these are all really small projects, very focused only on the Arbitrum ecosystem. So you can go to the app of Radiant and check there. So here is the list of the tokens that OxDegen is commenting. I will put all the links on the post that I will put in the description. Remember that now the information of each video, it will be in a post that it will be in the link on the description, like I did with the yesterday video airdrop coin network. For this airdrop, all the information for participate there was here on the post. So I will put the link of the description for this Zksync alts for Arbitrum after the airdrop, so you can check there everything that I am showing here. He explains a little bit about each of these tokens. Many of them, for example, one of them is like a meme coin for Arbitrum. So you may want to enter into a meme coin on Arbitrum or not. Again, this is a 1 million market cap project. If they pump, they could do 100x on the price for sure. We don't have guarantees on this. And like he's mentioning here at the end of this article, that of course I will put the link on the description for this, is that you don't need to pick one. That strategy will not serve you. If you want to try find a winner of these projects, you are going to lose your money. So the idea is that you put an equal amount of money or similar into each project. So we are betting a little bit here to many variables. We are betting to have a pump when the Arbitrum airdrop comes up, and we are betting that these projects, at least one of them, is going to do 50 or 100x on value. And that is why you need to diversify on this strategy. When you enter into the Zksync alts, you cannot bet all in one, because probably you are going to lose everything. So again, this is not financial advice. This is something that I'm going to do. I will put $1,000 in all these 7 altcoins. And also I just pick up some another projects here from the Arbitrum portal that I was reviewing. So I try to select exchanges because I think they have more probabilities to pump when the Arbitrum airdrop happens. And I am also only selecting projects that are built on the Arbitrum blockchain, not projects that share the contract with many other blockchains. So I really want to select native projects built on Arbitrum. So that is my strategy based on what OxDegen put in this article. And guys, put in the comments if you like that I do another videos beside airdrops, because I think one airdrop video per day is too much for all of you. I think you cannot follow all the different airdrops, so I was wondering if I should do a couple of different videos in the week also. Of course, keeping the airdrop videos like the major point of my channel. I really like that because I want to help you guys to get money, and getting free money on airdrops is a very good idea. So I will be keeping doing videos for airdrop, but I just was wondering if you like that, to have one video for an airdrop per day, or you like if I do 1 or 2 videos in the week that are not related to the airdrops. So please put your comments about that. You that have been following me already for a couple of days and you like my content, put that in the comment section so I really know what you guys are expecting for my content. But for worth it for this video, I just wanted to cover this strategy. I am not recommend you to do it. I am just telling you what I am doing on this, because I read this article and I was thinking that it actually was a very good idea and makes me review the Optimism project after the airdrop. And I already checked that and I remember that they exploded. Many of these projects exploded after the airdrop of Optimism. So the same could happen with Arbitrum, which is actually a project with more ecosystem than Optimism itself. And guys, if you didn't participate yet in the Arbitrum airdrop, I recommend you to go to my section on videos, put Arbitrum, and you will see all the videos that I have related to that. There are many things that you can do that not other YouTubers have been posting. For example, how to be a DAO voter, how to multi-sign a wallet for be eligible for the airdrop of Arbitrum, the Gitcoin donation for Arbitrum also. All these kind of videos are very important if you want to get the airdrop of Arbitrum, that I think it could be worth like thousands of dollars. And of course, if you use multiple wallets, you will have more possibilities to get more money on this, like happened with Optimism in the past. And also remember, this is your first time here, that I have airdrop videos every day almost. So you can check all of them with the step-by-step on how to do everything. And in my videos you have the link for the spreadsheet where is the step-by-step with all the links and everything that you need to do in each of my videos. So go to my videos, do the airdrops, use the spreadsheet, and you will be fine. Guys, that is all for the video of this Arbitrum Post Airdrop Degen Alt strategy to buy. Of course, any question that you have, put it in the comment section. I'll always answering your questions there, and put again in the comment section if you want me to put another content in the week, or if you like it to have 100% airdrop videos each day. That will be all for this video, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video. Bye.